Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram chat not showing up or loading. So first we are going to App Store or Play Store to update our app in case if any update is needed for our application. On the search bar, click over there and search Instagram. So here if you see update button, then your app need update, or if there is open button, then your Instagram app is already updated. So here you can see there is open button. Our Instagram has been already updated. So the reason we update is to get rid of past bugs or lags in the app. Updating the app doesn't work, so let's go back to settings. When you enter on the settings, scroll down and tap on RAM and storage space. When you enter on this RAM and storage space section, then tap on apps and here tap on Instagram. Now clear your storage. If you clear your Instagram storage, the app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Then tap on delete. If updating the app and clearing the storage doesn't work, then you need to report a problem to Instagram. Now let's go back to Instagram app. So you need to open your Instagram app. On the bottom right corner, tap on profile icon. When you enter on your profile, then on the top right corner, tap on three-lined icon. Then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down at the bottom of the screen and tap on help. Now in the help section, tap on report a problem, and again you need to tap on report a problem. And here you will be asked, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostic? Tap on include and continue. Also you can tap on don't include and continue. Now here you need to explain what happened or what's not working. After you finish entering your problem, then tap on send. And this is how you can fix Instagram chat not showing up or loading. Thank you for watching.